Hello everyone, welcome to another quick video. In this tutorial, I will guide you how to get your Openai API key. So, let's get started. As you can see, I'm already logged into the Openai platform. If you haven't done so, go to beta.openai.com and log in with your account credentials. Once logged in, you'll have access to various features such as text completion, image generation, fine-tuning, and more. Now, let's move on to obtaining the API key. To access your Openai API key, head over to the cursor. For this position, then select API keys. Here, you'll find the option to create a new secret API key. Keep in mind that Openai does not store or retrieve these secret API keys, so make sure to save them securely. Click on Create New Key, and a new API key will be generated. Copy the key, click OK, and now you have your API key ready for use. You can also set a default organization if needed. Additionally, note that you can delete API keys, but remember that you must generate a new key to revoke or replace the current one. With your API key copied, you can now integrate Openai into your projects. Whether it's a website, a program, or even in your software as a service, SaaS, businesses, the possibilities are vast. Feel free to generate as many API keys as you need for different purposes. And that's it for this tutorial on how to get your Openai API key. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content. Thank you for watching.